What's poppin', y'all? So I did not get a full video of my homegirl Ashanti slaying my wig, but this is what I do have. So you know, this is the hair transformation part. Period. What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and yes, I said your girl Team Stacie. I know I look different. You know, I got the 613 right now. I got the platinum line. You know, how y'all like it? I really love my subscribers, and y'all opinions count to me too. So please comment down below if you're from the platinum line. Please let me know.
All these niggas say they hot shit, you must not heard a Glock. Mr. Pull up, let it pop. Mr. Don't play bad as guap. And ever since a tot, I've been playing around with them blocks. Close your legs, ho, give me top. And my coupe cruise like a yacht.
Alrighty guys, so with my Juvias Place Warrior palette, I'm taking that brown shade that I showed you guys, and I'm just gonna put that above my crease as my transition color. And now you guys are gonna see me use patting motion. This is very key to get a nice blend. Use patting motions and then windshield wiper motions. With that deeper brown, I'm gonna take that and put that inside my crease, and that's just gonna smoke everything out. And now apply a little concealer, look up, and start cutting that crease. I tried to extend the video of me cutting my crease as long as I could, but you know, not too long where y'all get a little bored. But I wanted you guys to see in depth how I cut my crease, just you know, just in case you guys have a little trouble with it. You know, your girl's here to help. Hold up, y'all see these cute brushes that look like a unicorn? I love these brushes, and they bomb.com. Shout out to my cousin for these brushes. Thank you, girl. So with these two colors, I am just gonna put that on top of the, you know, cut crease that we just created, just to set that so we don't have concealer transferring and all that. I'm gonna go in with these two shimmer tones that I showed you guys, and we're just gonna put that in the inner tear dot, and then I'm gonna create my cat eye. I wanted to do a very bold cat eye because I was just feeling extra as hell. You know, with the 613, it got me feeling brand new. And now I'm gonna smoke out the bottom lash line, you know, just to have my eyes just more popping. Like, I just want to give you that what the fuck is she thinking look. And with these foundations, I'm just gonna mix my foundations. I do this in every makeup tutorial, so you can always check the link in my check the description box to see what products I'm using. All right, and I look a little crazy, but I'm just gonna blend in my foundation, make sure everything is looking like skin. And baby, I got a little foundation on the lace, and we don't want that. So now I'm just gonna apply concealer to my T-zone, and I'm just gonna blend that all out. All right, and with my Sacha Buttercup, I'm just gonna set my face. Now I set under my eyes, and then I definitely set around my mouth because I be creasing over there. And then with this foundation powder, I just use that to bronze up my face. I didn't want like a crazy bronzer. And lastly, I line my lips, and I don't know the liner right now, but it will be in the description box. I filled it in a little bit, and then I applied my MAC lipstick. Also don't know the color, but will be down below. We just finished beating his face, and I'm loving the look, and I hope y'all loving the look. Yes! Yes! Okay, guys, so like I said, you know, I had to try something crazy, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted to do platinum blonde hair. How you guys like it? I feel like I look so good, like. And I'm loving the lip combo. Y'all know I feel like my lips are too big, so I don't wear lipstick, but I'm loving it right now. Like, lips looking good, makeup on fleek. If you are feeling this video and you want more makeup videos and more, you know, things like this, definitely subscribe to my channel. There's like a little button like this. Whatever shape it is, whatever device you are on, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 times a week, 2 to 3 times a week, and yeah, it's just popping. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video if you want more videos like this. Yeah, guys. Bye, guys.